Been a bit slack with the updates, but the AE86 is now up on stands again. This time we're getting the drive shaft balanced, so I got it chopped down but it was never actually properly balanced, so there was, I suppose, a little wobble going on. I wasn't sure if it was that or something else, but I thought might as well get the drive shaft balanced. So that's why it's on blocks. Last weekend I actually rebuilt the diff. So driving to work, the diff started to make noise, and sure enough it had sheared 3 teeth off the pinion shaft. So where did I put that? Somewhere. So I got another diff from a mate, and that was actually a 3.9, so I've now got a 3.9 in the car, where factory they're a 4.3, which I had before. But as you'll see here, there's a few teeth missing from that, so it sheared them right off. Why that happened, I'm not too sure. I have a feeling that the diff maybe was never set up properly. I never checked anything when I got it. I just cleaned it up, painted it, put it in the car. When I actually took out the pinion from the casing, it just dropped out. It didn't actually have to be punched out, so must have not been on that bearing very well, so obviously not held in very well. So yeah, went to my cousin's shop, who works on cars all the time, and he's had experience with some diffs, which I haven't had experience, so did it there. We did all new bearings throughout, so new bearings on the diff head itself, new bearings inside for the pinion, and then also did wheel bearings, as they were pretty stuffed as well, so new bearings throughout. New, well, close to new crown wheel and pinion are in very good nick. Now it's a very tight, quiet, smooth diff, so that's always nice. 6-speed is going well. It's very nice to drive it now. With the 3.9 it's actually even better, because the ratios are so close together. The 3.9 opens them up a little bit, so you're not always changing gear. So now it sits on 100, about 30 to 200 RPM, which is a bit nicer than 3.5. What else? Oh, got the proper decals on, so I've got a Truno there, and then one's on the back as well. So they came from a website, Shop 86 or something. Might link it down below. Quite surprised actually, they're very easy to put on, and they seem to be holding up pretty well. So yeah, hopefully get the drive shaft back tomorrow, and then can drive it again, and then I've got a bit of a road trip on Friday, hoping to go up north for 86 meet, so hopefully have it all sorted by then. A few little things I need to do, like I want to route the breather somewhere else. It's as it's breathing, it's actually making a heck of a mess down in the inside of the engine bay, so I need to route that sort of outside. Thinking of do it inside the guard on the right hand side there. What else was there? A few other little bits and bobs. I got some engine parts, so I've got actual proper rear drive front covers for the engine. So I've gone and sprayed them black because they were a bit average. Spread the bolts, so I'm going to install those as well. And then one day I want to take the rocker covers off and actually get them re-blasted because it's not looking too nice. But yeah, that's an update on where we're at. I'll try video the meet up north. That should be quite cool. Hopefully plenty of other 86 guys come out. We should have a good gathering. So yeah. Kit sham breather's rerouted. Ended up putting it actually through the guard, so it's down inside the guard here. Unless the breather's then outside the car, sort of in the engine bay. What else? All the new covers on the front. Can't really see them a bit dark, but full rear-wheel drive ones, so no hole there anymore. Yeah, just a few tidy ups. Good to go.